for them is that not to emulate the valueless society we live in today, but to live a valued life, going through school, in building this new Nigeria that is productive, where they will give him more to the society than what they will take out of the society.
How bad has corruption messed up Nigeria? Because you were very emphatic about it, sir.
Well, I've always said about that issue of corruption have killed the three key things that makes a society. He has killed entrepreneurship because nobody works hard in a corrupt country. If your politics is more profitable than your industry, you're finished. He has killed professionalism because today nobody's working hard to be a professor or to become anything, because why will you suffer when you can earn less? He has killed hard work. So you have to. I recall telling somebody that we need to deal decisively with the issue of mismanagement and stealing of public money. And I use the opportunity to urge our agencies to ensure, again, they do proper investigation. So when they tell us that they seized these assets, this property or this money, we need a proof that is also stolen from the public resources. With that, we can learn how to prevent such stealing. It is not enough to say, oh, we recovered 100 billion. How did the 100 billion, can we link it to a missing money, either in the local government, in the state, and national? It is important, and I have had that one. If you had done it with proper planning, it would have been better. People wouldn't have feel what they're feeling. And let me say what I always say about removing anything. There must be a replacement. So if you say you are denying us lunch, what are we getting in return for us to starve within that period? You can't just remove something and there's no replacement anywhere. If we say we're removing anything, say subsidy, from a particular thing, are we putting more in education? Are we putting more in health? Are we putting more so people can see replacement?
Yes, sir. Your word of hope for Nigerians at the moment.
Say to them, it is a choice, like I said, that a Nobel laureate this year said Nigeria is one of those countries that cited it, that knows what to do to prosper, but refuses to do it. And he linked it that your development and your growth is linked to your political process. That means it's linked to your leadership. Leadership is critical. It is something you need to take serious. There's nothing wrong with Nigeria. Like Chinua Achebe said, nothing with the country called Nigeria. Nothing wrong with our environment, the air we breathe, the food we eat. It is only the inability of our leaders to rise up to their responsibility. That means everything we've seen in Nigeria revolves around leadership. We must get it right. So we can move Nigeria from consumption to production. It must be a productive country. Today is not. Gradual remove. It's even in my manifesto. I didn't say I'm going to get up one morning and just announce I'm doing this, I'm doing this. You have to do it. There's a detailed what you can say. We're going to remove this, we're going to put this. And like I keep saying again, if you must ask the people to fast, it should not be feasting. If we are fasting, everybody is fasting, and you can see everybody fasting. And that's it. We're moving around. I'm moving around today. I'm not in office. Trying to help. Let everybody come and move around. Thank you.